Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There's the second session of ours in which we are going to discuss about the topic of today, that is the teachings of Islam. When we come to the teachings of Islam, there are lots of teachings of Islam. However, we are going to discuss four of the teachings of Islam today. The first one being the monotheism, Tawheed. Besides monotheism, there are also many other teachings of Islam, whereas we are going to learn about monotheism today. Monotheism means Tawheed. Tawheed means accepting Allah Almighty as one and final. As there is Surah Ikhlas also, which narrates that Allah is one, He was born from none and He has given birth to none. He is single and singular entity. That is monotheism. We have to, as being Muslims, accept Allah Almighty as singular entity and single entity. Without that, there is no one worthy of worship without Allah Almighty. And after the monotheism, which is the strongest belief of Islam and the first and foremost belief of Islam, we go towards the submission to the will of Allah. Whatever Allah Almighty wills, we have to accept the teachings of Allah Almighty. We have to accept the orders of Allah Almighty, the commandments of Allah Almighty, whatever they are. Doing something, prohibition of something, or not doing something, everything that Allah Almighty has said to us to do or not to do, we have to accept all the teachings of Islam without thinking about what is it or what it's not. We are not even allowed to think about what are the teachings of Islam, but we have to accept them, whatever is taught in the Holy Quran. And these are the two of the most important teachings of Islam: monotheism